welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is EllieArket. I'm the founder of EllieArket Cosmetics. We have vegan, organic, cruelty-free makeup and skincare. I like to do the look of the day, get ready with me on this channel. So if this is your first time and you guys like get ready with me, look of the day, skincare, hair care, go ahead and subscribe. At least give this video a like and let's get into it. All right, I just woke up. It's like really early lately. I've been waking up really early in the morning, which is goals. Sit down over the weekend and figure out the inventory because a lot of you guys are so mad at me because I'm sold out with the brushes, because we have vegan brushes that are so amazing and luxurious and like the best brushes I've ever used. So I gotta sit down and make a list of all the inventory that I need so I can bring all these back. Of course, it's expensive, so your support means the world to me. If you guys can donate and support me, that would be so amazing because I have to purchase so many products for you guys, all right? And these are high-end vegan organic products. I'm going to do a very quick look of the day. I'm in my pajamas, like maxi dress, 24 karat gold collagen serums, retinol face cream. That's what we're gonna put on right now. And here we go. So if you guys like false eyelashes that are comfortable and they're vegan, definitely try mine. This is the most hydrating face cream you'll ever try. Retinol, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, jojoba oil, avocado oil. It's just like butter. 55. I don't know why I'm so sick with it, but literally obsessed with like the smell of like sunscreen. I'm gonna do some eyeshadow. So I use this CoverGirl Clean Matte just to clean up the face. It's not like really foundation. It's just like a little bit to make everything look, as you guys can see, I have really good skin. So we're done. I'm gonna contour. This is such a, like an easy stick. This is from Wet n Wild and it's number 805 called Call Me Maple. My blush highlighter palette. We're going to do Charmed. First, I just go with a big brush and I kind of do this all over my face, my cheeks. First, I do that. Do you see the highlighter? So subtle and just glowy. So cute. So cute each. And I'm gonna use Eden because I just want like a really, really soft, pretty look. And this is a super beautiful nude. And my lip glosses are super pigmented, so it's like wearing lipsticks. Super cute. Like I said, they're really pigmented. You can use these as blush and, you know, put it also as eyeshadows. It's just like a really beautiful. Highly pigmented. They stain your lips. They plump your lips. So this is the look of today. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys want to purchase my products, you can go to EllieArket.com, give this video a like, and I'll be here every morning doing the look of the day. Get ready with me. So you might as well just subscribe. and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.